Ćao ljudi, Jerry ovdje, dobrodošli u novi video. I ljudi moji, kao što možete da vidite, počinjemo novi serijal, a to je Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Ok, evo krećemo, mi smo na samom početku. Ok, to je sve hard, normal, easy, ok, ići ćemo na normal. Continue i idemo. Čuo sam da ova igra ima predobru priču, a zatim i predobru grafiku, kao što i jeste, kao što i sam mogu da vidim. Tako da sam odlučio da snimam. Samo ovo da se učite i to je to. Ok, evo nas. Krećemo. Our friends Mike Show. Ok, šta sad? Aha. Kako se dobro čuje. Mogu da pretpostavim da od samog početka igrica kida. O, evo je Lara. Kako su moćno uradili, čoveče, ne mogu da verujem. Au, brave. Ajmo, Laro. Au. Ajmo, Laro, još malo, još malo. Kako su brutalno uradili, ne mogu da verujem. A dobro, ne veze, koji uvek Lara uvek preživi. To da se zna. Ok, šta sad?
Jonah, you there?
Gdje smo u nekoj pećini? Zaglavjelac. Ajmo, Laro, možeš ti to?
Jonah, I'm here. Just a little stuck. A rock hit my leg.
Don't move, I'll get help.
No, I'm right on Trinity's tail. I don't want to attract attention.
I'm on my way.
I won't be long.
Aha. Da pritiskamo E. Jao, to je bolelo. Ajmo sad. Zapni. Au. Kako su uradili ovu igricu, čoveče.
Shit. there.
Okej, krećemo. Au, brale, moramo skroz do gore. Kako li uspjela da padne ovdje, čoveč? Živi smo! Au, brale, šta je ovo? Kako brutalna igrica, čoveč. Okej.
Jonah, I'm out. Be careful, the way into the site is full of traps.
Okej, ja
Trinity's not done with it yet.
jump.
They're protecting something.
6 weeks, and still no solid leads on who's leading the local Trinity cell. But I talked to some people in town, and they're excited. There's a VIP coming to the Day of the Dead. Name's Dominguez. We should look into
Okej.
it.
Idemo gore. Sad da skočim i... Uf. Treća, pa dobro je. Ajmo, Laro. Ajmo, još malo, još malo, još malo. To je to, to je to.
Jonah, I made it.
I'm on my way in. Almost there.
Sorry I didn't
Kako je ovo
wait. Be
svetlo
careful.
sada? Au, brale, šta je ovo?
Beautiful.
Au, neko sluša ovo. Ko zna gdje sam?
Wow. Get a load of this place.
Odakle sad ovo ispade?
Guess all that research paid off. Now we know what Trinity's after.
Yeah, they really didn't want us in here.
I'm glad we followed your father's notes.
Jel je samo jednom lik?
I saw where the passage collapsed on you back there. You want me to take a look at that wound?
No, I'm fine.
What is all this?
Constellations. This inscription is some sort of riddle. Pink fish.
Pink fish.
Silver-crowned mountain. There's a date here. But something's off. It looks like it was damaged, perhaps intentionally.
Why would Trinity sabotage this? They usually just destroy everything.
No, I think the damage is older. But who would have tampered with it?
Pazi! Au.
Laura!
Au, šta sad desi?
We gotta get out of here.
Au, brale.
Laura!
I have to get this.
Ajde, slikaj, slikaj. Eto, bravo, beži se. Beži dok te noge nosi.
Move! Move! Hurry! Come on!
Preživjeli
Had him
smo.
drag me out, I'd still be in there taking pictures.
We'd still be in there. Don't know if you'd be doing much.
Jonah.
Hey, you want to freshen up? Regroup at the cafe? Dr. Dominguez is supposed to be there tonight.
Sounds good. I'll try and decipher the riddle, see if the date has anything to do with it.
Right. Pinkfish, Silver Crown Mountains, I'll look into it. By the way, this cafe is supposed to have really good food. I know the chef.
Wow,
Yeah,
kako
I'm
lepo
not very
grad.
hungry.
After all of that, I'm starving.
Kako su lepo radili, stvarno. Meksiko. Da nas zdrave posle svega.
There he is.
Anything new on Dr. Dominguez?
Not much. He's leading a few Trinity digs in the area.
My father mentioned him in his journal more than once. He's an expert on pre-colonial ruins.
Everyone says he's a great guy. Big help to the town. So how's your leg?
Jonah, look. The riddle. Its directions. To find the hidden city, go south along the shore until you find the pink fish.
I found something for that. It's pink dolphins, found only in the Amazon.
It goes on. Then chase the heart of the serpent to the silver-crowned mountain. Look at this. It's the constellation Hydra, the serpent. This star is the heart. It's set in the southwest.
So southwest from the Amazon River. Brazil.
Peru.
Peru?
Okay, this date from the ruins, see? If you look closely, it is damaged. This number looks like a Maya 13, but what if it's really an 8? With precession, it...
What?
Precession. The Earth tilts, so over time, these stars appear in a different place on the horizon. Important if you're navigating by the night sky.
Okay.
In the Maya calendar, that's a 2,000-year difference. Back then, the heart of the serpent set directly to the west.
So that's why it's in Peru, not Brazil. Trinity has been looking in the wrong place.
Exactly. We need to look for the silver-crowned mountain in Peru. There's more. Something about a key. What is Trinity looking for in the hidden city?
Pi, samo pi.
We found it. Yes. Show me.
You heard that too, right?
Aha.
See where he goes.
Šta će sada se desi?
Wait, hold on. Trinity's watching this place. Let's try to blend in.
Oh no.
Trinity's people are armed.
Okay,
I
idemo.
heard they brought in reinforcements.
I'll stay out of their way. I want to avoid what happened with the last cell we took down.
They must know we were at the other site. So much for a night off.
Where did Dominguez go?
He can't be far. He must be in the courtyard somewhere.
Yeah,
Let's look around.
someone must know something.
Hey, Sammy, how's it going?
Gracias, Jonah.
Samo da vidimo gdje treba da idemo. I ovdje sigurno ne. Okej.
Can you believe it? This one was caught drinking the ofrendas.
Oh dear. I'm sure I was just as mischievous as a child.
No need to punish him. The tequila will take care of that on its own. He drank it.
Da pitamo ovog malog.
Maybe I could light one for my mother.
I'm not really used to
Just
crowds.
You'd rather storm guards or the deathless?
No, this is fine.
Sigurno trebamo
Jonah, he's at the gate.
ovamo vani, pa da.
Good. Be sure I'm not followed.
Da, trebamo tamo 100%.
I think I can find another way over the wall.
I'll take care of these guys. Hey, fellas, how you doing?
Good. You You can't come through this way.
I heard there was some kind of
Taktika, taktika. Bravo, Laro, majstore.
Y'all know anything about that?
It's not for
Kako
tourists.
su dobro radili ovu
You
grafiku.
know, Maria invited me. You know her? She's my cousin. My abuela, she was from here. Don't look like it. Rest her soul. I wanted
Sad
to
će
make
tu
like
da
a
Lara da
buffet.
preskoči, ajmo
What's that
Laro.
thing you do with the blankets? All right. You know what? I can see you guys are busy. I won't waste any more of your time. Y'all keep on trucking. Thanks for your service.
To je to.
Keeping us safe.
To je to. Lele.
Jonah, I'm in.
Good. Those guards weren't at the gate earlier. Dominguez must suspect something.
Jonah is a survivor and a good friend. I met him several years ago on my first
dobro.
expedition. Excuse me.
You make contact with the High Consul.
Ovamo idemo.
Yes, sir. Even after the fiasco in Brazil. No one questions your leadership of the organization.
We've come too far to
Da
stop.
se provučemo
Yes,
ovdje.
sir.
Pardon.
They're ready for anything.
Jonah, Dominguez is not just the leader of this cell. I think he's the leader of Trinity.
We need to be careful.
Nadam se da ovdje
Lara,
valja nas.
Yeah, I heard you.
Dobro. O, izvini.
señorita.
My fault.
Aha. Ele ovdje veselo, čoveč.
Someone set off a trap at the first site. We think it was Croft.
Wait,
What's wrong?
I want confirmation, Commander. No more guessing.
Dobro je.
I'll make sure we
Za
get visual
malo.
confirmation.
Jonah, they might have noticed me. I'll try the back alley.
I'll find another way around.
Idemo ovamo.
Doctor, son muchos de sus hombres.
You can never be too safe. You're very gracious. Thank you.
We should go.
Šta da se desi? Lele, vidi ovo jabuke što pali. Šta je ovo, ne znam nija jabuka, paradajz nije ni vidno. Zeleni
This is
telefon.
Commander Rourke. Dominguez wants confirmation Croft is here.
Shit.
You have the photo.
Lele,
Female, Caucasian,
odjednom
early
samo.
20s. You got that?
Well,
Good. They'll find her.
good. I don't want anyone getting in there.
Hey, get out of my office.
Sorry.
Close the door.
O, izvini, evo
Right.
begam čovječ.
Lo siento.
Don't worry. Go. Hey.
The readings at the site are unlike anything we've ever seen.
It's the key to our next phase.
If this is it,
Sad ovdje ispod. Bravo Laro, majstore.
Jonah, they've entered the dig site. It's fenced off and there's a guard at the gate. I'll find another way in.
Ovdje već.
I found a good spot. I'll watch the perimeter.
Znači, trebamo ovuda da prođemo. Sad ćemo mi to lagano. U redu. I evo je Lara Croft. Nepobediva.
There's got to be more to these ruins.
Evo je njen luk.
A Maya pyramid inside some sort of cave.
Ko je to? Neki likovi, ja?
Come into the ruins. You'll be far enough out of earshot.
No, please, don't make this harder than it needs to be.
Haha.
It's your own fault.
A ovdje ima nekog. Pa da.
Come on, just do it.
Aha. Takedown, okej.
Wait. I'm a government official. I'm supposed
Nije ni vidio koga je
Not
ubio.
anymore, Mr. Lead Archaeologist. Your employment has been terminated.
Please, no. I have money. I can pay
I
you.
BAM! To bi bio prvi headshot. Neću ti ništa, ne brini.
I won't hurt you.
Tako, tu je Lara da ti pomogne, da.
You work for Trinity. What did they find?
Well, they've been searching for a temple entrance for many years. Today they found it. I have to go warn my sister. She's on her way here now.
Jonah, Trinity just tried to kill a local archaeologist.
Oh, God.
I have to find what they're looking for.
Ovo može da otvorimo. Na E.
This is Commander Rourke. All teams, get ready for Operation Blackout.
Bolje da uzmemo sve jer vjerovatno će nam sve trebati za nešto. Zašto je na E, evo pritiskam F. Vidi opet. Okej.
I
Imaš
better
nešto?
check those ruins.
Dobro, još ova biljka. Idemo gore sad. Ajde bre Laro, brže malo. To Laro, to, ajde. Okej.
I know this figure. Ishal, the goddess of the fall. Got to make my way down.
Idemo dole.
Okay, this should work.
Aha. Ajde. Bravo, majstere.
This is Commander Rourke. I want the site secured ASAP. When Dr. Dominguez arrives, we all go in together.
Au, čoveč. Hvati malo zalet, eto. Ajde, bravo, Laro. Tako je, bre. Drži se, bre. To je to, ajmo, kači.
All units, get
To
ready.
je to.
Dr. Dominguez is on his way.
Sad ovdje.
Damn, I better hurry.
Sad dole. Drži se, bre. Aha, okej.
I've got this.
Evo se zaletimo samo. I... Hvati se, bravo bre. Koliko moći. Au, vidi ovo. Vidi ti ovo, brale moj. Gdje sad? A nije, gdje treba da idem? Aha, kapiram. Okej. Ajmo još jedan zalet i... To, uspjeli smo. To bi bilo top.
I'm entering a cave.
Uspjeli
We
smo.
may lose contact.
Penji se gore.
I'll keep an eye on Trinity out here.
Uzmi to.
cave looks like it's usually underwater.
Malo idemo kroz vodu sad. Ops. Aha, idemo tamo. Ok, ovdje ima nešto da se uzme. Da, ovdje, ali imaš negdje, još negdje, još negdje, još negdje, još nema nigdje ništa. Ok, idemo ovdje. Ja mislim da treba to i... Da, to je bilo to. Au, pazi bre. Idemo ovamo. Lele, vidi pacovi. Preseko sam se.
What is this place?
Prvo da kupimo ovo što ima ovdje. Ove pečurke. Ima i ovdje. Sve je čisto. Sad idemo u vodu. Opa. I ovdje ima nešto da se uzme. Znači idemo tamo. Samo moramo brzo. Au, brale. Sreće pa ništa. Uzmi malo vazduha. I nastavi dalje. Brzo gore, brzo gore. Jao, da li moguće? Ajde Laro, možeš ti to Laro. Još malo i... Još malo. To, ajde još malo. Bravo bre, idemo. Bravo Laro, tako je.
I have to find the temple Dominguez is looking for.
Šta sad? Ali nema nešto ovdje da se uzme. A šta ima tamo? Ovdje ne može se prođe. Nemam ono što nam treba. Ali dobro, nema veze. Šta sad? Oooo, da li je se to desilo? Me ubilo. Au, brale, okej. Nije valja ovo. Gdje ja žurim? Polako, Miloše, polako. Okej, ajmo. Ajmo malo odseći. To. Dobro, ajmo sad. Ne. Skoči pre gore. To.
Jonah, I made it. I'm in an underground temple.
Good.
Whoa. That's not good.
Lara.
Ajmo, brzo. Bravo, Laro.
I can tell it's causing tremors. There's a pyramid. I'm gonna get to the top.
Bravo, bre. Ops. ništa. Idemo ovdje. Jao, nisam trebao tu da skočim. Aha, ovdje.
Lara, how's it going?
Good. There are platforms that can help me reach the top. Looking for something to weigh them down.
You're breaking up. Got some activity here. I'm gonna get closer.
Sad ovo treba da gurnem tamo. Ops, ovdje da vidimo. Sad idemo gore i da skočimo na ovo. Da skočimo na ovo. I okej, evo se. Ajde. Pazi. Skoči. Ajmo. To. Dobro je. Aha. Idemo lagano gore. Okej. Popusti se. Aha. Ne! Šta ja radim? Jao, šta sam ja sad uradio? Jao, majko moja, šta radiš, Miloš? Izvinite na grešku. Vidi ovo. Šta je ovo, bret? O, evo ga, napokon. Ne mogu da se skontam kako beše. Seči ovo. Idemo ispod. Ovdje ništa. Idemo ovamo. Šta ja uradi sad? Aha. Šta ja treba sad radimo ovdje? Ovo da iscepam. Sad.
The cart would tip over if I reeled it in. Need to find a way to destroy that debris.
Ne može. Okej. Aha, dok ja ukapiram malo mozak. I... to mi kaže. Sad idemo ovdje. Sad idemo tu. I ništa. Idemo ponovo. Prevarili smo se, kao što možete da vidite. Tako da, moram sve ponovo. Znači moram skroz do gore. Okej. Da probam sad. Da, evo ga, sad je okej. Aha. Sad ovdje. Ove merdevine. Drž se. I evo nas.
Jonah!
Yeah, I'm here.
Jonah, there's a mural here. It shows a box. Inscription says, the silver box of Ishal. That must be what's in the hidden city. This is a Maya myth. It says the box will summon the god Kukulkan.
The creation god. Is that what Trinity's after?
Wait, there's more. Looks like a series of cataclysms. A tsunami. A storm. An earthquake. Volcanic eruption.
So much for the god of creation.
Well, in Maya belief, Kukulkan is the god of creation and destruction. This looks like the Hydra constellation, but the stars seem out of alignment.
Jo, bolje ne dire ništa. Šta smo našli?
Jonah, I found a dagger. There's an inscription. The key to Ishal's heart unlocks the cleansing. We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Let's think this through. Shit! Lara, Trinity guards are coming your way.
A mora ona da uzme. Beži, Laro, bolje.
What have I done? Shit. Jonah, get to higher ground.
Oh no, you took it, didn't you?
Hurry.
They're on their way.
Okej, šta sad?
Dr. Dominguez and more men. Apparently we found what we're looking for. Great. Season 4.
Yes, I heard you, okay? Dominguez is coming tonight. I get it. What I'm telling you is the rain is gonna flood it. What the fuck do you think I'm doing? Checking on the water pump right now.
Ok.
Okay. Let's make sure everything's copacetic here.
Sad, zato što ovdje ćemo završiti video. Nadam se da su uživali. Ako jeste, ostavite like, share i subscribe. Vi mi napišite dole u komentarima da li vi želi da je nastavim s ovim serijalom. I to je bilo to. Vidimo se.